So to create a mock-up, you have two options. You can either take a photograph or create something digitally in 3D and then create a smart object surface that your flat design can then go onto. Alternatively, you can download a mock-up template online. This is an example, and I'm going to show you how to apply a design to it. So what you have is you've got a photograph with a file here, which is a smart object. That's what this smart object thumbnail is saying right here. So if I double click on this box, double click, it opens up a new tab at the top into this space, which is going to end up here. So in this area, I could drag in my design that I've been creating in another Photoshop file, or it could be Illustrator file. I've got an example here on my desktop. It's a JPEG though. I wouldn't use a JPEG usually because the quality wouldn't be very good. It's a compressed file type. And I can, holding Shift and the transform tool, Command T, or edit transform scale, or free transform Command T, or Control T on a PC, I can scale it up. And then I close this tab, but as I close it I click Save. So if I click and save, it's now on the mock-up. So mock-ups are great for showing a client or being able to show your idea within the space or on the product that you would want it to be communicating your ideas. So this helps you understand how your design can be put into a context. So this Swiss style design can now be put into the context of an advertisement billboard. So if I double click back into this smart object again, for example, I could just create a design in this, although I wouldn't recommend that. I would create the design and drag it in. But for example, if I wanted to change, let's just quickly change the gradient color. Say we did a gradient. Say that was my design. I could close this down, click Save, and it will come back up onto this tab, and there's my design. So give that a go to create mock-ups from your flat designs.